All right, so finally changing things up. So about a year and a half ago, I bought this jackhammer, and I've used it once when I was just trying to break up a fence post, just to make sure it would work, like the concrete at the bottom. So we built this road about 2 years ago. It'll be 2 years this Christmas. But it ran into this wall of solid rock and then also the ground. So it puts quite a slant. You can't really tell in the video, never can. But I used the excavator to kind of try to break it up, but I obviously hit really hard sections, so these bigger, harder components. What I'm going to aim at breaking out with the jackhammer. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to set you up on time-lapse like I do with just about everything else, only because the generator is going to make a ton of noise and you won't be able to hear anything anyway. But yeah, we'll see how this goes, and yeah, check back in a little bit.